Hello guys, how are you doing? I have a question. What's the weather like today in your house? To Miss Dri, today the weather looks sunny. Let's sing a song to call Mr. Sun and ask him to stay. Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Shine down on me. Shine, shine, shine. Shine down on me. Shine, shine, shine. Shine down on me. Shine, shine, shine. Shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me.
During this week, we are going to talk about a new biome, the Amazon. Let's go! The Amazon rainforest is like a big house to different kinds of plants and animals. It's like the biggest house in the whole wild world. And that is only possible because of the climate that provides the environment and different kinds of foods for the animals and a good soil for the vegetation. At the Amazon rainforest, we are going to see different kinds of animals. One animal that is dangerous and loves to hug, but is a lethal hug, because when this animal hugs, he kills the prey to eat. Is the boa constrictor. That is a hug that we don't want to receive. I don't want your hug, snake. We can also find an animal that is so cute and very lazy, loves to sleep. Do you know what animal could it be? I think that you already heard about it. Is that sloth. Can you repeat? Sloth. I can hear you. Sloth. Good job. Sloth starts with letter S. That is also the toucan. The toucan you probably already saw at the zoo. That is a bird that has a powerful beak. And with this beak, he gets the fruits on the trees and find things that he can crack and eat it. There is also another bird that is beautiful, has beautiful feathers. And you probably saw the movie Rio. They have the blue birds. They are macaws. That is the bird that we can find at the Amazon rainforest. They have colorful feathers and also a very powerful beak.